Hi, I'm Jordan Mamann, your man for real estate with the Network Realty Group, here at 1084 Hurlwood Lane. Welcome to Hawk Ridge. Just a chip shot away is the golf course. This sprawling bungalow features a private 1.5 acre lot with your own backyard oasis. Featuring an in-ground pool with waterfall and surrounding interlock, this is the place you're going to want to spend your entire summer. Close to Aurelia and easy access to the highway. Let's take a look.